Hello everybody, thank you for visiting our channel, Dean's Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing some stuffed poblano peppers. So we have some poblano peppers here. They're Mexican grown pepper. So we're going to have a complete Mexican style stuffed pepper here. We have some ground pork, which it says right on the label, great for tacos. I don't know if you can see that, but that's on the label of the ground pork. We have some shallots that we're going to use. We have some rice, some Spanish rice we're going to use, and we have some black beans. And we're going to use that in our stuffing, as well as the chili paste I made here, some chili sauce that I made with some dry peppers. So we got the chilado sauce, as they call it in Mexico, chili sauce, and then we're going to use some tomatoes as well to have a sauce to go on the outside of our peppers. We have some cheese that we're going to use to sprinkle on top, and we have some Mexican seasoning here that we're going to use. We may have to add a dash of salt and pepper as well. So I'm going to get started on the dish. I'll show you how we get this done, and we're going to have some stuffed peppers on the menu tonight. All right, so we have a pan getting hot on the stove with some oil in it. What we're going to do now is we're going to add the pork to the pan. We're going to brown off this pork, and we're going to brown off our vegetables in preparation for our stuffing mix. We're going to season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, now that our pork has browned off with our vegetables in there, we're going to add a half a teaspoon of Siazon Complete Seasoning, Siazon Tropical, and a quarter teaspoon of ground cumin. We're going to add that to our pan here. Okay, we're also going to add our chilado sauce, our chili sauce. Maybe about a quarter of a cup of the chili sauce. I'm going to add some chicken stock. Add some black beans. Spanish rice. And now we're going to mix this all together and let it cook down, and we'll have our stuffing mix. So we'll season the taste after everything gets cooked down. Alright, so here's our stuffing mixture. It's cooked down. The chilado sauce, the chili sauce, has really taken over the color of the dish because it seems to have a lot of color to it and a lot of flavor. So what we're going to do is I added some cayenne pepper because I like it a little spicy, and we're going to give it a taste and see what it tastes like. I also added some of the cotija cheese, some of the Mexican cheese in here as well. So let's see what this tastes like. Okay, that tastes very good, filled with flavor. What we're going to do now is we have to let this cool down before we can actually stuff it into our peppers. So I'm going to turn the stove off, let this cool, then we'll come back and stuff our peppers. Okay, so now we're going to stuff our peppers. I just washed my hands. Want to make sure they're nice and clean. What we're going to do is we're going to lay in some cheese here. So we have some white cheddar cheese right there, and we have our stuffing mix. We're going to carefully spoon it into the pepper, and then we're going to stuff it up into the forward part of the pepper here. Get some the stuffing up in there. We're going to stuff this whole pepper until it's overflowing with stuffing. Okay, so now our peppers are stuffed, and they're actually kind of heavy here. We got a lot of stuffing in there. So we're going to add them to our sauce, and we're going to get them into the oven, and we're going to bake them till they're nice, soft, and tender and ready to eat. Okay, everyone, this is the stuffed poblano pepper, fresh out of the oven. We have our Mexican flavored style tomato sauce with some onions and peppers in it as well. And we also have the stuffing inside the pepper. We garnished it with some chopped cilantro and some Mexican crumbled cheese. There's also some cheese inside of the pepper for the stuffing. And what we're going to do, it looks really good. We're going to give it a taste here and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Well, there's a lot of juices flowing out of there. Let's go right here. The pepper is cooked all the way through. It's nice and soft. And I don't know if you can see the steam, but it's still very hot. Okay, that is very delicious. All of the cumin, the Siazon flavors are coming through. The cilantro is very flavorful. We got black beans in here, along with some Spanish rice. The poblano pepper tastes great, nice and soft. I actually wish there was some taste vision so you could taste it as well, but we'll give it another taste here. Yeah, this is really good. If you like Mexican food, Spanish flavors, you will love this. I think your family would enjoy it, your friends would enjoy it. I'm going to continue to finish off this pepper. It tastes so good I can almost stop eating it, but I want to thank everybody for viewing. I hope you try my recipes at home. So I want to thank you and have a good day.